Welcome to Rigboy Pro, the ultimate PC Builder WordPress plugin. In this video, we'll cover how to install and set up Rigboy Pro plugin. Before we begin, you can see Documentation Guide on Documentation tab. Ready? Great. Let's start. Let's install Rigboy PC Builder plugin. To do this, click Plugins on left menu, then click Add New. To run Rigboy plugin, you must install WooCommerce plugin, because this plugin works with WooCommerce. Let's back to install Rigboy. Click Upload Plugin, then click on Browser button, open Rigboy plugin folder, select Rigboy plugin zip file, then click Open. After doing that, just click Install Now button. It will install on your site. Activate the plugin. After activated, now you can see Rigboy PC Builder menu on Dashboard menu side. Just click to see Admin Dashboard.
Welcome to Rigboy PC Plugin Admin Dashboard. First, choose your shop or brand logo with click Choose Logo button. Locate your logo directory and add that. Now you will see Preview your logo on this box. The best logo size format is 247 by 121 pixel. Either if it's bigger than this size, then looks odd or breaks design table, so beware of that. This is Rigboy shortcode that must be used in your page. We'll come back later on this. You see here lots of category buttons. We will work with this later. And Save Setting button for save these settings.
Okay, first we need to add category. From Products menu, then click Add Categories. To add new category, type name of category. Let's start it with Processor category. Type on Name box and click to add new category. A new category will added and shows in here. Let's repeat to rest of all. You can find all 15 of category on the text files. You can copy-paste with work on this too. Now we created all of needed categories.
Now, next step is very crucial. Must needed to work exact parts logic. That's called attributes. Adding attributes, we need to click on Products and then Attributes. Add attribute name on the box and create new one. We are creating for processor attributes. For CPU, we create socket type. And click Add Attribute. Now adding attribute for RAM. Typing RAM_type, then type RAM_capacity and RAM speed. Now we need to add power watt for PSU calculation. Reminder, you can find attribute on text file, just copy-paste them to adding. We created some of attributes. Now we need to configure terms for each of attributes. Click on Configure Terms. For socket type, we type AM4, AM5, LGA 1700, etc. These are for AMD and Intel modern socket CPUs. Use text file and copy-paste them all. Next, RAM capacity terms. Add RAM capacity, example 4 GB, 8 GB, or 16 GB, and more. Next, configure RAM type. Type DDR4 or DDR5. RAM speed terms. This is frequency for RAM speed. Add 2400 MHz/3200 MHz bus on RAM. Next, configure power watt. Add them like 2W/65W, etc. Use text instead. The configure terms is completed. Next, we are creating new products for Start function. Click on Products, then Add New Product. I am clicking on Product Image to find product photo. Upload it, find the directory, and choosing AMD Ryzen 7 5800. Just copy the name text from it to use them next. Add the product photo, adding product name, add description, just paste that I copied text earlier. Tag price level. Now it's time for main work that we created earlier. Click on Attributes. Delete unnecessary. Click on Add Existing box, then all attributes will appear. For processor, we need to type socket type. And then select value from drop-down menu. Select AM4 because it's AMD Ryzen 5000 series AM4 processor. And then we add more attribute like RAM type, power watt. Add as they required. You can Google it by products for get information. Save attributes. Choose product category. Right now it's processor category, so I choose processor. And then publish it. Boom! We did our first products. Next, we need more products.
Add new product again. This time we add motherboard. I choose AM4 socket motherboard. Choose attributes, add socket type, RAM type, and power watt. Remember, match attributes same as processor type. Add new product again. This time choose RAM. On Attribute section, choose RAM type, RAM capacity, and RAM speed. Next, adding graphics card. On Attribute section, add power watt for graphics card only. That's it. Now I will adding all of products. Pause the video and I will come back. You see, I just added most of products as I needed. Now, going back to Rigboy PC Builder Admin Dashboard panel. And now fill these categories with its recommends. After selection, then save it. We are close to finish the work. Click Copy Code. This will copy the shortcode of PC Builder because we need this to page or post, whatever you use in it. Now I create new page. And name the page. We can use this shortcode in Gutenberg. Click that plus sign and type shortcode. Paste it. You can publish it to see front end. But I will use Elementor. On Elementor, click New Structure and add Shortcode Widget. Paste Rigboy shortcode on it. Let's test it. I type the page name that created for Rigboy.
Now you can see it, the Rigboy front end. We can see the brand logo appear and all of parts category appear. Let's test. I choose Processor, and then select AMD Ryzen Processor. After then, choose Motherboard. You see the motherboard model? It's for AM4 socket CPU because we chose AM4 processor. It's clearly said that our logic work perfectly. Let's choose other parts. Now choose RAM. You see it's showing only DDR4 RAM because that processor and motherboard we chosen support only DDR4 RAM. You can add up to 4 more RAM. Also choose more storage or casing fan or monitor as well. You see, more iParts added, more PSU wattage recommended on here. All parts list and prices are added summary. You can save JPG image file or PDF files. Let's test. You see the image or PDF output. This share button will work on mobile device only. On Mozilla Firefox browser, it will save a summary text JPG image file. After all checked and added, it's time for Add All to Cart for order. Now we can place order and check out. And that's all for tutorials. Now we can easily use the plugin. Thank you for purchased Rigboy PC Builder plugin.